up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? Rob here with Bob Evans Classics. I got this beautiful 1970 Ford Mustang convertible up for sale today. We're going to do a full walkthrough of the vehicle so you know exactly what you get before you buy it. When it shows up, it's exactly what you thought it was. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. We offer shipping all over the US and internationally. We work with a transport company that ships to pretty much every single country in the world. If you like classic cars and want to see all of our new inventory, please hit the subscribe button right now. Pause it, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification button so you see all of our classic cars. If you want to see new inventory come in, Mustangs, Chevelles, Corvettes, please subscribe. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. 1970 Ford Mustang convertible. It's a V8 302. Automatic transmission. I acquired this from a lady out in Allentown, Pennsylvania. She bought this in 1981. Car has been garage kept since 81 and is a beautiful looking car, a great driver, a solid Mustang just to get in and have fun with it. The overall condition is driver quality. It looks good, but it's not showroom. It has some visible flaws, which we will go over. We'll start off with this door here. The paint is shiny, but it's not glass. It looks like it has an older paint job on it. You can see my reflection, but it's not super clear. You got a couple little dings in the door. The worst part is going to be right here. You got some bubbling, some rust bubbling starting. I'm pushing hard on it and it's not doing anything. Again, this has been garage kept, so it's been out of the elements. The rest of the door over here looks good. You got a little bit back here in this rear quarter, a little bubble there. You got, looks like this was filled in, scratch there, a little bit of bubbling there. Rear quarter's in good shape. There's no rot or anything there. It's solid. Take a look at the deck lid. That looks to be in good shape. I will put the top on for you. It is power top and it's in good shape, which we will do at the end once we start it. Bezel here showing some age to it, but the lights look to be in good working order. Bumper's in good shape. You go to this quarter panel, got a little bit of bubbling right there. And you got a little crack right there. But rest of it's solid. There's no rot or anything that I see. Look underneath since we're down here. Frame rail looks good on this side. Check the other frame rail since we're back here anyway. When I bought it, I did check it. I know it's fine. Frame rail looks good. Car has not been undercoated. And you'll see pretty much the way it is. Okay, so you got this little bit of bubbling there. Tires are in great condition. Hubcaps are in good condition. Their tires got plenty of life left. Got a little bubble right there. Chip there, little chip there. This door has a chip there, chip there. Same thing, wheel is almost new. Now, as far as the hood, the hood does not sit bad. It's a little offline here. As you see, it comes up a little bit. Maybe a little hood adjustment would help out. You got a little flaw right there. The side gap is much better, sits nicer. Got a scratch right there. The lights have no cracks in them. She's definitely a good looker for sure. The price is in the listing. If you go on our website, bobevansclassics.com, you'll see the price, and also it's on the listing description on the title. If it says sold, that means it's sold. Otherwise, it'll have a price. Take a look underneath. Torque box looks good. Back here looks good. Again, this is all raw, no undercoating, and it looks very well. Nothing disguised. Sometimes I'll buy these cars and it looks like people undercoat them right away, which is not a bad thing. Sometimes undercoating is good. I mean, it prevents rust. What we don't want is maybe rust there and somebody covered it up. Again, real solid. Nice solid undercarriage. Floors look good. I don't see any rot. Little bubbling there. I don't know if I pointed that out earlier. Let's take a look inside the trunk. See if I can get it on the first chance. Oh, I got it. Okay, we got a full-size spare here. We got some extra parts. Looks like we got a bumper guard here. Quarter. Good. Look good. Trunk floor, from what we can tell, looks good. I don't see the mat. Looks like it's coming apart, but I don't see any rot or anything, which is good. That all looks good. Shuts nice. See how these doors open and close. We do not have a door tag on this. This does have the VIN number up by the windshield. Door shuts nice. Looks like it's had one previous paint at least. A little bit overspray right here. Door panel's in nice shape, except for the handle itself. This seat's in good shape. That seat's in good shape. The rear seat has a cut in it right there in the seam, right in that spot. And this is the cover for the top over this. 27,461 miles. I'm assuming that's 127. She had this car in high school in 1981. Little crack over here. The rest of the dash pad is good. This thing is quiet. Power steering, power brakes. .302, looks like it's the original engine. Front rail looks good. The other rail also looks good. And she's just purring like a kitten right now. It's got a 2-barrel on it, so I doubt it's gonna win any racing challenges. This is a cruiser. I did notice on that side when I put the little window down, it was coming off track. So when you raise it up, see if I can do this with one hand, you just got to make sure it doesn't come out. That's fine now, looks like. And when I put it down originally, it was coming off track a little bit. It's kind of off track now, it looks. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, it's off track a little bit, so I had to adjust it. See, it's coming off track. You put it back down, you just gotta set it in there. Oh. And I got it stuck. Hard to do this with one hand, guys. This window's coming off track. And now it's back on. But it needs adhesive. Now listen, at least with me, you know exactly what you're getting. So I might have to have my guy look at that and fix that. But that's coming off track. It needs adhesive there to hold it. But when it's up and it's fine. Take a look at the inside. Horn works. It does not look like the temperature gauge is working right now. It has not got up. So we'll check that. And fuel, we're showing empty. I haven't put fuel in it yet, so we will stop and put gas. We'll see if that goes up. And the oil pressure showing all the way high. As far as the radio is, doesn't seem like it's working. It's got heat, and it looks like it had AC previously, but it does not right now. Let's go to the gas station, put gas. We'll see if it goes up, and then also go for a test drive. All right, guys, we put gas in it, and it's still showing empty, so the gas gauge does not work. We're safe to say that. It's going up a little bit. It's a little bit over E now. Before it was completely under E, but it's not accurate. So we put like 15 bucks worth of gas. So I assume that's going to need a fuel sending unit, or the gauge is broken. We'll get on it. But you got a little beep, which is pretty cool. But I mean, it purrs, guys. It drives straight. Power steering feels good. Brakes feel real good. It's a big advantage when you have power steering and power brakes. I don't mind it for a cruiser like this. It's a fastback. I like the manual steering. I enjoy it a little bit better, but on a cruiser like this, power steering's nice. It brakes real good, it holds good. Just got another wave at us. Shifts real good. Handles it real beautifully. Look at this. 50 on these back roads, and it's cruising along, guys. Up for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. 215-801-9493. You'll reach me directly. We'll go back to the shop. We're going to test all of the signals. We'll make sure the turn signals are working, brake lights are working, and also we will put the top up, and I'll show you how that works. Handles real good. Gas gauge is slowly creeping, so it's not making any kind of crazy noises or anything, which is good. Now, if you would want to make this a nice, beefy car and get a little bit faster, I would change the exhaust manifold and put a 4-barrel carb on it. Headers, stuff like that. You can easily turn this into a beast. but it's a perfect cruiser. It handles really well. Let's get off and check the signals, see if they're working. Okay, left turn signal showing flashing. Left turn signal's working. Side marker light's working. Right turn signal. Nothing. Okay, so right turn signal. It's not working back there. Side marker light is working. So it's something I will check out for the next buyer and figure out why that's not working. See if the brake lights are working, maybe the light's out. Gotta hit the brakes. Yeah, so that side is not working. So I'll look in this and figure out if this is a bulb. I will have that fixed for the next buyer. That way they have brake lights and turn signals. And we'll put up the top. And in good shape. Back window's good. Up for sale now, guys. Give us a call or go on our website. I appreciate you checking out our page. If you made it this far, you're at the end of the video, please hit the subscribe button. Do me a favor, in the comment, if you're a true fan, hit Rob, I want to see more test drives. The more people I see put that, I want more test drives, I will go on test drives for every single car. It's hard because I need someone else to go with me, and I got to pull somebody else out of the office, but I will make it happen.